Hello, my name is Vinay Jaraj Barve, and today's date is 6th of July 2023. And as we know, today's topic is Java feature. So, Java it is a highly oriented programming language because it follows the OOPS concept, which is object oriented programming language, and it is platform independent, simple, robust. So, as we know that Java it is most of unlikely favorite language for the all programmers because it has various type of features like it is simple, robust, object oriented, multi-threaded, secure, dynamic, interpreted. So that are the basic features of Java. So Java is basically used for web application like data analytics, uh, and mobile application, game application. So, all of these education systems like healthcare, defense, most of these sectors are using or Java still using Java because Java it has various profit that if you want to reduce your time and space complexity, then it is provided with some specific with some specific keywords like fix, and it has simple like if you want to use Java, then there are some there are a lot of if you want to run program and runs anywhere in the machine, then it could be possible because it has JVM, Java Virtual Machine, and it is also the platform independent like if you code and after that you can run in anywhere by the using of like bytecode. It is converted first of all, source code converted into bytecode, and after that bytecode is converted into machine code, and it has secure like it is converted or byte data into it is a source code converted into byte data, and byte data it is basically you can use anywhere, and also it has followed multi-threaded like if you stop your coding and if you complete it, and after that you need to code in that source, then you can use it, and it is stored in a specific memory, so that is called as the multi-threaded. And after that it is follow the OOPS concept. So OOPS concept it is basically strong and usable, and it is also interpreted like you cannot run directly into machine because Java does not provide it. First you need to compile the code, and after that compiling process and by the use of interpreter it is converted and executed on the machine. So that is basically interpreted, and after that it has a lot of storage like fixed value, fixed sizes there. You cannot increase their size, so that is basically use of or like a fixed, and it has also a dynamic like dynamic means if you want to use them in various machines, so there are JVM are present, so that is basically use of dynamic. And after that talking about the their yeah, that is basically Java future. Thank you.